Hello guys, welcome back to my channel with another video. In this video I will discuss about the hydraulic fluid and how we uplift the hydraulic fluid in aircraft. Actually, when we go for the lever inspections, weekly inspections, or more important, that is transit inspections, we have to check the level of the hydraulic fluid. On ecam page, whatever you're showing here, on ecam page we have to see the hydraulic fluid. If it is below this band, we have to uplift the hydraulic fluid. So in this video I will share with you how we uplift these fluids. So full procedure I will share with you. If you new in this channel, please like, share, subscribe and be a part of Fly with Sharnavu. So without any wasting time, let's start.
Showing you the green hydraulic panels and yellow hydraulic panels. This is green hydraulic panel. Wherever we have to see one rod is there, and this rod is help for handling or servicing the hydraulic fluid. Now we are going to the yellow hydraulic panels, yellow hydraulic servicing panels, and this panel we have seen many more things. Now we have to show how the hydraulic fluid we have to be uplifted. This is the servicing pipe, and the another one, this is the servicing tube where we put the pipe and uplift the hydraulic fluid. Now it is the most important selective panel. And how we know that we are uplifting hydraulic fluid in green, blue or yellow? So this panel we have to move. If we are hydraulic fluid uplifted in green system, so it move in green side. If we are uplifting in blue, this is left side, and if we are uplifting in a blue system, it will go to the blue side, and in neutral or normal side it will be like this one only.
So these all are the hydraulic uplifted procedure. If you are in your college or you are in field, this video help you when you go for your job purpose. So if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and please subscribe and be a part of Fly with Sharnavu. So never quit, never give up, fly it to the high. So goodbye.